So welcome to another What I Eat Wednesday video. So I'll be doing these type of videos every week, every Wednesday, so please stay tuned for that. I woke up this morning, I had a great night's sleep last night. So right now, while I'm making breakfast, I am currently working on some coffee. I love this mug. Got it at the thrift store for $1. It's like really pretty mug. So I'm working on some coffee. And then I'm going to be making breakfast and everything else like that. So I'll see you guys at breakfast. So here is breakfast. I'm having some cream of wheat. It's like an off-brand cream of wheat, but it's my favorite. So in here I put a little bit of sugar. And now I'm going to be adding some bananas. I know my stove is messy. Clean that later. So I'm going to add 2 bananas in the pot with it cooking. And let me show you guys when it's done. So here is breakfast. It is a big bowl of cream of wheat with 2 large bananas and a little bit of brown sugar. And then while I'm eating this, I'll be doing some editing and working online. So be eating this while working on the computer. So here is lunch for today. It is 3 bean burritos. So on here I have some black beans. I was going to use some pink beans, but I didn't see the olive oil, which is fine. Occasionally I do use oil, but this has milk in it. Why would you put milk in beans? Anyway, that's my little rant for the day. That kind of made me mad because I bought like three cans of those. So that will be going to the food bank. So anyway, on here I have some black beans, some tomatoes, some onions, and some olives. And then just regular flour tortillas. And then on top is going to be a little bit of guacamole salsa. This is really good, and it's really spicy. So, here's lunch. I'll see you guys later. So, I just made some soup up for supper in my Instant Pot, technically. It's the same thing, just a little bit cheaper. So, in here, I have some broccoli, nutritional yeast, potatoes, mushrooms, and onions. And just some vegetable broth powder. Just kind of cut down the water a little bit on here because I wanted it to be like a really thick soup. So about a half an hour this will be done. I'll see you guys then. So here's the supper for tonight. It smells really great. I'm going to really enjoy this because it's kind of cold outside and I love soup. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've had a really great day today. I feel really great. My energy is through the roof today. And also I stepped on the scale this morning. I didn't record it, of course, but I am down about 7 pounds. So great. Anyway, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and everything else like that. And I'll see you guys on Friday.